Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the background color in Canva using the latest 2026 version. Whether you're creating a presentation, social media post, or flyer, changing the background color only takes a few clicks. Let's get started. First, open Canva in your web browser and sign in to your account. Open an existing design or create a new one from the Canva homepage. Next, click on an empty area of your design so that the page itself is selected. A color option will appear in the top toolbar. Click the background color button to open the color panel. Now choose any color from the suggested colors, your brand colors, or recently used colors. If you want a specific color, click the plus icon and enter a hex color code or use the color picker to select the exact shade you need. As soon as you select a color, Canva will instantly update your design background. If your design has multiple pages, you can change each page's background separately or apply the same color to every page if that option is available. Once you're happy with the new background color, don't forget to save your work. Click the Share button and choose Download to export your design in your preferred format, and that's it. That's how you change the background color in Canva in 2026. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.